Quantum computers, the next frontier in computing. Quantum computing represents one of the most exciting advancements in technology, poised to revolutionize various industries by solving problems that are currently intractable for classical computers. As this emerging field continues to develop, the potential applications of quantum computing are vast, ranging from cryptography to materials science. However, the technology is still in its infancy and significant challenges remain before quantum computers can be widely deployed. This video delves into the principles behind quantum computing, its potential applications, and the obstacles that must be overcome for its full realization. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways that classical computers cannot. Unlike classical computers, which use bits as the basic unit of information, either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. Qubits can exist in a state of 0, 1, or both simultaneously due to a property called superposition. Additionally, qubits can be entangled, meaning the state of one qubit is directly related to the state of another, regardless of distance. Stages of quantum computation. Initialization. Qubits are prepared in a known state, usually 0 or 1. Quantum operations. Quantum gates are applied to qubits, creating superpositions and entanglements. These operations are analogous to logic gates in classical computing, but operate on a quantum level. Measurement. A quantum state is measured collapsing the qubits into a definite state of 0 or 1. The outcome provides the solution to the computational problem. Potential applications of quantum computing. The unique capabilities of quantum computers open the door to solving problems that are currently beyond the reach of classical computers. Here are some key areas where quantum computing could have a transformative impact. 1. Cryptography. Quantum computing has significant implications for cryptography, particularly in breaking widely used encryption methods. Current encryption systems like RSA rely on the difficulty of factoring large numbers, a task that classical computers struggle with, but quantum computers could solve efficiently using algorithms like Shor's algorithm. Breaking encryption. Quantum computers could potentially break existing encryption systems, necessitating the development of quantum-resistant cryptography. Quantum cryptography. Conversely, quantum computers could enhance security through quantum key distribution, QKD, providing theoretically unbreakable encryption methods. 2. Drug discovery and materials science. Quantum computers could revolutionize drug discovery and materials science by simulating molecular interactions at an unprecedented level of detail. Classical computers struggle with the complexity of these simulations, but quantum computers could model these processes more accurately, leading to the discovery of new drugs and materials. Molecular simulation. Quantum computers can simulate the behavior of molecules and atoms, aiding in the design of new drugs and materials. 3. Optimization problems. Quantum computers excel at solving complex optimization problems that involve searching through a vast number of possibilities. These problems are common in various industries, including logistics, finance, and artificial intelligence. 4. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Quantum computing could enhance artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning by speeding up the training of algorithms and processing large datasets more efficiently. Quantum algorithms, like the quantum support vector machine, could improve the accuracy and speed of AI systems. Accelerated learning. Quantum computers could reduce the time required to train machine learning models, enabling faster development of AI applications. Improved algorithms. Quantum algorithms could provide more accurate solutions to complex problems, enhancing the capabilities of AI systems. 5. Quantum simulation. Quantum computers are naturally suited for simulating quantum systems, making them ideal for research in physics and chemistry. These simulations could lead to breakthroughs in understanding fundamental processes and developing new technologies. Physics research. Quantum simulations could provide insights into complex physical phenomena such as quantum field theory and condensed matter physics. Chemical reactions. Simulating chemical reactions at the quantum level could lead to the discovery of new catalysts and more efficient chemical processes. Challenges and limitations of quantum computing. While the potential of quantum computing is immense, several significant challenges must be addressed before it can become a practical tool for widespread use. These challenges include maintaining qubit coherence, error correction, and scalability. 1. Qubit coherence and stability. Qubits are extremely sensitive to their environment and maintain their quantum state. Coherence for extended periods is challenging. Decoherence occurs when qubits lose their quantum properties due to interactions with their surroundings, leading to errors in calculations. 2. Error correction. Quantum computers are prone to errors due to decoherence and other quantum noise. Unlike classical computers, where errors can be detected and corrected relatively easily, quantum error correction is much more complex and requires additional qubits to encode and protect information. 3. Scalability. Building a large-scale quantum computer with enough qubits to solve meaningful problems remains a significant challenge. Current quantum computers have limited qubits, and scaling up to the thousands or millions of qubits needed for practical applications is difficult. 4. Software and algorithm development. Quantum computing requires entirely new software and algorithms, as traditional computing methods do not translate directly to quantum systems. Developing efficient quantum algorithms is a critical area of research. The future of quantum computing. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but progress is being made at a rapid pace. As researchers continue to overcome the challenges of qubit stability, error correction, and scalability, quantum computers are expected to transition from experimental devices to practical tools with transformative potential. Near-term outlook. In ISQ era, we are currently in the noisy intermediate-scale quantum (NISQ) era, where quantum computers with limited qubits are being used for experimental research and testing. Quantum advantage. Researchers are working toward achieving quantum advantage, where a quantum computer can solve a problem faster than the best classical computer. Long-term vision. Fault-tolerant quantum computing. The development of fault-tolerant quantum computers that can perform long, complex calculations without errors is a key goal. Quantum supremacy. Achieving quantum supremacy, where quantum computers outperform classical computers in a wide range of tasks, remains the ultimate objective. Quantum computing represents the next frontier in technology with the potential to revolutionize industries and solve problems that are currently unsolvable by classical computers. However, significant challenges remain in developing stable, scalable, and error-resistant quantum systems. As research and development continue, the future of quantum computing looks promising, with the potential to transform fields ranging from cryptography to materials science. While practical, large-scale quantum computers may still be years away, the progress being made today lays the foundation for a new era of computing.